how to use Google Assistant option on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Google. You will see Google is here, so click on Google and click on All Services. So after click on All Services, scroll down and click on Search Assistant and Voice. So after click on Search Assistant and Voice, click on Google Assistant. So if you want to use Google Assistant, so use Google Assistant from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use Google Assistant setting on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.